Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys are aware, I'm doing an education series for Alan Truman on the science of styling tools and various techniques for using them. As discussed in my previous video, we will be talking about the most hyped product, which is the Alan Truman Blow Brush and the different styles which you can actually create with the help of this magical brush. Let me quickly mention you the kind of styles you can create with the help of this brush, which will be you can straighten your hair, you can use it on the dry hair to actually create a blow dry hair like salon at home. It can be used for creating tight curls, bouncy wavy look, and so on. Isn't it actually a magical brush? I know, right? So in today's video, I'll be creating a wavy end with the help of Alan Truman Blow Brush. But before we go ahead, let me quickly help you with the features of this particular brush, which will help you in terms of usage and what all features are available. Firstly, this is made up of 11,000 watts hair motor dryer. That means this is extremely lightweight, and as compared to the other blow drying brush available in the market, this will last long. Agreed that as compared to the other blow drying brush available in the market, this looks huge, but trust me, for its shape and size, it is extremely lightweight and easily to control and maneuver. It doesn't cause any heat related damage. Also, when you're using this particular brush at a high heat temperature, it doesn't make your hair frizzy, or it doesn't cause any sort of damage to your hair. Also, as you can see at the start, it's made up of, it's a combination of a dense nylon base bristle and a ball tip quills. Now the base bristles helps you to give grip when you want to do a tight curl, and the long ball tip quills keep the hot barrel away from your scalp, and it also acts as a detangler. So with any further ado, let's quickly get started. So before I'm going to use the brush, I'm just quickly going to use a hair heat protector on my hair. Okay. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm sure you can see the real difference, how lovely my hair looks. Wow. So guys, you can quickly log into Nykaa. I own the black one because I love the black, but there are green, purple, pink, the different colors also available. Also, for more such content, kindly like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.